Hello everyone, today we're introducing this versatile shawl. This shawl consists of two sections, one part is made by joining motifs with two different patterns, and the other part is a rectangular scarf with tassels. Finally, sew on buttons to connect the two sections. The motifs are crocheted first and then joined together. Motif A is made with 3 colors, while Motif B is worked with a single color yarn. The stitches used include single crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, and chain. For Motif A, pay attention to the technique of pulling down single crochet. This product is crocheted with variegated yarn. You can refer to the finished product, or choose any color section from the variegated yarn according to your preference. Now let's explain the crocheting method for Motif A. Start with a magic ring. Chain 3 to begin. Then work 11 double crochets into the loop. Including the chain 3, that makes 12 stitches in total. Tighten the yarn tail. Slip stitch into the third chain stitch of the chain 3. Cut the yarn. For the second round of Motif A, switch colors. Before switching colors, slip stitch the yarn tail once. While crocheting, gradually hide this yarn tail into the fabric. Chain 1. Slip stitch again into the stitch where the previous round ended. Then hide all 3 yarn tails into the fabric together. Pull tight. The second round requires 42 treble crochets. Work 2 treble crochets into each stitch of the previous round. Start with 4 chain stitches. Work 1 treble crochet in the same stitch. Work 2 treble crochets into the next double crochet stitch. One stitch. Work again. 2 stitches. Complete this round. After finishing the last stitch, slip stitch. Cut the yarn. For the third round of Motif A, take another color, which is color 3 yarn. Chain 1. Slip stitch into the stitch where the motif was joined, and hide both yarn tails behind the fabric. Chain 1, then work a single crochet in the same stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch. After 2 single crochets, we'll work a pulled up single crochet. Carry the yarn into the stitch of the next group of treble crochets. The length of the yarn should be identical to the length of the treble crochet. Then pull the back yarn through. Work once, then cluster. This is a pulled up single crochet. Don't miss the stitch of the back treble crochet. After working 2 single crochets, make a single crochet on the third treble crochet. Work a single crochet. Two single crochets, 1 pulled up single crochet, 2 single crochets, then 5 chain stitches. Single crochet in the next treble crochet stitch. Work another single crochet. After 2 single crochets, continue with a pulled up single crochet. Enlarge the loop, pull the back yarn through and drop it, then cluster once more. Another pulled up single crochet completed. Then begin working single crochets. Make a single crochet on this treble crochet right behind the pulled up single crochet. Work another single crochet, then 5 chain stitches. Single crochet in the next stitch. This completes 2 groups, totaling 6 groups completed. Two single crochets. Crochet until 2 stitches remain. Single crochet. 5 chain stitches. Join with a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Cut the yarn. Motif B's crochet method is the same as the first 2 rounds of Motif A, no need to break the yarn. This is what I crocheted in advance, the difference is in the third round. I'll demonstrate the crochet method for the third round. Chain 1, then work a single crochet in the same stitch. Work another single crochet, then a chain stitch in the next stitch. Continue with single crochet in the following stitch. No skipped stitches in the middle. Work 2 single crochets. Total of 4 single crochets with 1 chain stitch between them, followed by 4 treble crochet stitches. Then work 5 chain stitches. In the next stitch, work 2 single crochets, 1 chain stitch, then 2 more single crochets. Work 5 chain stitches again. Repeat the same method for a total of 6 groups. Let's work one more group. Now joining the motifs, 2 single crochets, 1 chain stitch, then 2 more single crochets. When connecting the motifs, after making 5 chain stitches, first make 2 chain stitches, then pick up the previous motif. Insert the hook into the large space. Pay attention not to flip the motif. Yarn over, pull through, then work 2 chain stitches, and 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Work 2 single crochets one by one, then 1 chain stitch, followed by 2 more single crochets. Work 2 chain stitches, then 2 more chain stitches in the next space. Continue. This completes the connection of one motif. Work and join simultaneously. Work 5 chain stitches into the last stitch. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet, then cut the yarn. The motif connection is now complete. When connecting the second row, make sure to find the correct joining points. These 3 points. Let me demonstrate with a motif. This point needs to be connected, this point needs to be connected, and then this point. Continue crocheting. When connecting motifs, there are 2 things to note. After completing each motif, weave in the yarn tail. Let me demonstrate how to weave in the ends. Bring the yarn tail from the back. You can work 1 chain stitch. Then weave through several more stitches. After weaving in, trim the excess yarn tail. When connecting at this point, please note. For the chain stitch worked between 2 holes, insert the hook into the middle chain stitch for connection. Now demonstrating the crocheting method for the scarf section. First make a slip knot. This stitch should be loose, count it as 1 stitch. We're using the mesh cast-on method, then work 3 chain stitches. Work a double crochet in the first stitch, then tighten the yarn. Work 3 chain stitches. The double crochet should be worked in the middle of the yarn. 3 chain stitches. Double crochet. Second round completed. Make 3 chain stitches. Work a double crochet in the stitch of the double crochet, 1 chain stitch, then another double crochet. This is the crochet method for a V-shaped flower pattern. Continue. We'll demonstrate using 5 flower patterns. In the chain space of each double crochet, work a double crochet, 1 chain stitch, then another double crochet. When finishing, work another double crochet in the starting stitch. This is the first round. For the second round, make 3 chain stitches. Turn the work, then work a double crochet, 1 chain stitch, and another double crochet in the stitch of the braid. Continue. Repeat the pattern until you reach the desired length. When finishing, work a double crochet on top of the 3 chain beginning stitches. After completing the scarf, I'll demonstrate the edging method. First, make 3 chain stitches. Work a single crochet in the middle stitch of each V-shaped motif, then repeat the pattern, 3 chain stitches, 1 single crochet, 3 chain stitches. Three chain stitches, 1 single crochet, 3 chain stitches, 1 single crochet, 2 chain stitches. At the end, work 2 chain stitches and 1 single crochet. Finishing the border. After all motifs are joined, we'll work a round of single crochets along this edge. The number of single crochets is worked correspondingly, 5 single crochets on one side, 5 single crochets in each space. All are 5 single crochets. Then sew buttons onto the scarf section. If you have any unclear points during the crocheting process, don't hesitate to join our Facebook group to get supports. Susan's family, supporting your handwork experience, sharing the joy of life. Thank you for watching. See you next time.